What's up, guys? Eric here, Mr. Fired Up Wealth. I want to just bring a quick video to you today. It's going to be very short. There's a lot of people that don't understand what fired up represents. Now, it's a play on words and a couple different things, but if you're familiar with the FIRE movement, that's financial independence, retire early. What fired up wealth is, the FIRED is an acronym, so it's financial independence, retire early off of dividends. And so the idea behind it, the whole philosophy around fired up wealth, is you take growth stocks to outperform the market, you sell that outperformance, and then you buy DGI stocks, dividend growth investing stocks. And so you'll use a stock like an Amazon that has outrageous growth, over the years, over the past 5 years. You'll sell that stock, you'll take that money, those profits, you'll convert it into stocks like Visa, Microsoft, whatever DGI you're into, and it could be higher yield or lower yield. I like to have a little bit lower yield, between 1.5% and 3%, with low dividend payout ratios, so that the company still has room to grow not only the share price, but also the dividends on an annual basis. But that's kind of just a quick video of what Fired Up is about. And what I want to explain is the financial independence, retire early. So my goal is not to retire, in my 40s and just watch TV. The financial independence is what's critical for me, the FI. And what that allows you to do is basically do whatever you want, enjoy your life the way you want it. So that could be starting your own business, that could be volunteer work, that could be working for a different job that doesn't pay as well, but it gives you the flexibility and the peace of mind to know that you don't have to rely on anyone else because you have enough money to be financially independent. And there's a lot of ways to do it. I give you my approach, and there's a million ways to do anything. I always say take nuggets of information from people, learn as much as you can, and make your own path. Create your own strategy, your own path that works best for you, that's best for your risk tolerance, your needs, your age, your suitability, all those things. But hopefully this channel will help you learn a little bit, maybe something that you didn't know, and give you some insight and some different strategies. It's primarily about growth stocks and dividend growth investing stocks, DGI stocks. We do cover other things. There's a Facebook group, if you haven't checked it out, called Fired Up Wealth. I encourage you to join that. It's a private group, and we have a lot of in-depth conversations. We even talk about, some day trading, some options, things like that. But I wanted to just explain, with the Fired Up, what it meant for, what the acronym was, what financial independence means to me, and hopefully this is a helpful video. I've got 2 brand new videos coming out this week I'm really excited about. I've put a lot of time and energy into those, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please click that little red button down there and subscribe, the little bell. Click that little bell so you're notified when there's a new video. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great rest of your day.